Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the Cash app so you can use the Borrow feature, which lets eligible users take out a small loan directly within the app. Cash app is still rolling out this feature, so it might not be available to everyone yet. I'll guide you through how to check if you're eligible and the steps to get started. First, open the Cash app on your phone. In the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. Scroll down and select the support option. In the support section, use the search bar and type in Borrow. This will bring up articles and information about the Cash app Borrow feature. Tap on the Borrow option to learn more about the requirements. Cash app considers a few different factors to determine if you're eligible. These include your state of residence, whether you have an active Cash app card, how you use the app, and your credit history. To increase your chances of getting access to Borrow, make sure you have an active Cash app card. If you don't have one, you can order it through the app. Once it arrives, activate it to fully set up your account. Another way to improve your chances is to use Cash app regularly. This means sending and receiving money, using your Cash app card to make purchases, and exploring other features like Bitcoin and stock investing. Having more activity in the app can help you qualify for the Borrow feature. You can also set up direct deposit through Cash app. This means linking your paycheck or other regular income directly to your Cash app account. To do this, go to the main screen of the app and find the direct deposit option. Follow the instructions to link your income. People who receive regular direct deposits are more likely to get access to special features like Borrow. Lastly, your credit history can play a role. Cash app doesn't share exact details about credit requirements, but if you have a poor credit history, it could affect your eligibility. If you've done all of these steps and still don't see the Borrow feature in your app, you can contact Cash app support to ask about it. Go to the support page, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Chat, and send a message asking if you're eligible for the Borrow feature. The support team will respond and let you know if there's anything else you need to do. Once you have access to Borrow, you'll see it on your home screen under More Ways to Add Money. From there, you can view the borrowing options and choose the one that works best for you. That's it for how to set up Cash app to borrow money. Thanks for watching.